3.
Hey guys, this is Christy Ventliff, and this is my beautiful 2017 JCW Clubman, and we are in phase 2, which is Operation Blackout, totally dechroming it, trying to make it go for a more aggressive look. So we are on the door handles now. This is an easy breezy. So we got these door handle covers, which we will put embedded in the notes of where you can find them. Before applying these, obviously you want to make sure that they're going to fit your door handles, because sometimes they do send the wrong ones. Before we get to actually installing it, make sure that you go ahead and peel off the protective coating on the outside. It just makes it a lot easier when you're adhering it to the door. So I'm going to be getting ready to install my driver's side door, and then we're going to walk around and show you what we've got going on the rest of the car while I'm getting that ready.
Here's a view of one side's done and one side's not. So you can see where the handle is dark and one that's chrome light. Just an FYI.
So here we go. As you can tell, I have gotten all the, I've unpeeled all of this interior part so that it'll stick. We've got this ready to go on. Again, making sure that this is totally peeled up so that it makes it a lot easier to take care of once we get it on. And it's easy breezy. Come on, ladies, we can all do this one. Then it goes on. Make sure that we've got it adhered really good. And then voila, that easy, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're wanting to do something quick and fast to change the look of your car, any of your minis, this particular one is my JCW Clubman. This is a real easy modification that you can do. I hope you'll continue to watch our videos, as we've got a lot more things coming in the days ahead. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.